Hello, I'm Brian Keys and I'm here to just talk about our new Holland T6 140 which we have in stock. This particular tractor has got cabin suspension on it. It has got Michelin 480 65 28 front tyres and Michelin 600 65 38 rear tyres. Walking around this tractor, it has got fender controls, PTO and raise and lower of the lift. I'll just show you inside the cab here some of the features. Inside the cab here we have got an air seat for the driver, a passenger seat for taking a passenger. We've got an air conditioned cab, and as I've said earlier, we have got cabin suspension. This particular tractor has got a 16-speed electro command gearbox. It has got 3 hydraulic spool valves. It has got 3-speed and soft start PTO and an electro lift. This axle tractor has got a 4-cylinder 120 horsepower engine. With engine power management it can achieve 141 horsepower on hydraulic, PTO or road applications. If you're interested or if you want any more information, then please call Brian Keys today and please contact us, or if you want you can see our adverts there on Facebook or YouTube or our